Happy Saturday, everyone, and welcome to the May edition of In the Water here at Sweetwater Center for the Arts. I am your Executive Director, Christine Brondyke, and I am here to talk to you about all the wonderful things that we have coming up here in the month of May. Last month, I talked a lot about Let Them Cook, and it paid off. You guys all came out, and we sold out that event. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the volunteer chefs who worked with us to create an incredible menu, all of our teaching artists in our ceramic studio who came out to do demonstrations, and all of the community that came out to celebrate this event with us. We cannot wait for next year's Let Them Cook, and we are already planning it. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank our sponsor for Let Them Cook, Encompass Health. I almost forgot to mention that the community came together and we raised all the money we needed to purchase a new kiln in our ceramic studio. So thank you so much to everyone that donated. We can't wait to get to work with the new kiln. Summertime and warmer weather brings our popular event series, Sweet Jazz. And you can get those tickets on our website at sweetwaterartcenter.org. I'd like to thank our sponsor, Physicians Financial, and we are also partnering with the Mary Chef this year. You can go to her website and purchase food to be delivered to you at the event. We have a wonderful array of workshops and camps this year for our summer semester that starts the first week of June. This year we have a lot of teen workshops and summer camps available, including abstract art as well as printmaking, which is a new workshop and summer camp for us here at Sweetwater. I am very excited to welcome back Erin from Red Cottage Fiber Studio. She will be teaching a needle felting class next Saturday here at the center. That's May 20th. Check it out on our website at sweetwaterartcenter.org. Speaking of the Artist Guild, our next Artist Guild lecture series will be on Wednesday, May 17th. We are going in studio to the Manchester Craftsmen's Guild to visit with Bryce Hemington, who is a ceramics instructor and artist. He'll be demoing, he'll be talking about his craft and being an art educator here in Pittsburgh at the Manchester Craftsmen's Guild. You can get more information on that on our website at sweetwaterartcenter.org. We hope to see you there on Wednesday, May 17th. And finally, if you're looking for something to do on this wonderful Saturday morning, the Swickley Civic Garden Council is hosting their annual May Mart festivities on Broad Street. Sweetwater Center for the Arts currently has a booth there, and we have kids crafts, we have items from our teaching artists that we are selling, and we have information about all of our upcoming classes for the summer semester. We will be there until 2 o'clock today, so don't forget to come down and check us out. Well, thank you for tuning in for this month's In the Water. We will see you back here in June with warmer weather and more information about what's happening here at Sweetwater Center for the Arts. Thank you. Hello and welcome to, all right. Hello. Last month you had, we also have, all right, you can still use that. And I am, this is take 3. Needle felting on, is it needle felting?
Yeah.
I had it, all right, take 4, all right. I am you can just delete that. You don't need that part, right? You can just cut that out. All right, take 6. Needle felting. Ha! All right, take 7. Who is a ceramics yeah, so that'll be the last thing because it'll say, come on down to May Mart.
Yeah.
Come on down to May Mart. All right. What do I want to talk about the first? Was that good?